Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and physical connections. Check LEDs, swap the cable, and try a different port so you isolate hardware issues. Next, plug the device into a known good computer to confirm whether the device itself fails. Once done, open Device Manager on Windows or System Information on Mac to capture the device's status and error codes. Make sure to note any yellow triangles, unknown device, or code numbers, because you'll use those for targeted fixes in the next steps. Now focus on drivers and power management. Uninstall the device entry in Device Manager, and if available, check Delete Driver Software, so Windows fetches a fresh driver later. Disable USB Selective Suspend and Power Plan settings, and uninstall any unknown USB hubs. This clears corrupt configurations. Update your motherboard chipset and USB controller drivers from the manufacturer rather than relying solely on generic drivers. Once you update or reinstall, reboot the machine so the OS re-enumerates the hardware. This often restores proper recognition. For final recovery, inspect BIOS or UEFI. Enable Legacy USB, check XHCI/USB 3. Zero settings and update firmware if available. This resolves low-level compatibility problems. If the device still fails, use a powered hub to rule out insufficient current or boot a live USB Linux to determine whether the issue is OS-specific. If nothing works, record any persistent error codes and attempt a system restore to a point when the device worked. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.